This video will show you how to use the calendar in the MyJobsManager app. To use the calendar view, click at the bottom of the screen on the Jobs icon. Now you can see a 5-day overview with all planned jobs. In our example, we have 2 jobs for Wednesday. The application job has already been done, which you can see by the green check mark. The tillage job is still pending. You can scroll to the left to see the last 30 days, or to the right to plan your work for the coming days. If you select a job, you can see in detail the fields which need to be worked for this specific job. You can choose on the top between Details and Map. By choosing Map, you can see the position of the field and its boundary. Back in Detail, you can click on Equipment and People to see which operator and which equipment is assigned to this job. By clicking on Tillage Information, you can see the tillage type and proposed depth. Under Notes, you can send additional instructions. Finally, you have the tab Invoicing Information, where you can see the values your operator filled in after the job execution. You can use them for documentation and invoicing. Back in the calendar view, you also have the chance to reschedule jobs. You only have to select this icon at the top. And then you can move the job by drag and drop. Press Save. All job details will be synchronized at once with the Operator app and My Jobs as well. Finally, you also have a filter function where you can set different options to see only the specific jobs for your selection.